Very good morning, all of you. Are you all fine? Today, shall we start our class? In the last class, we'll learn about multiplication. Okay, that is 5 sevens are how much, and 10 eights are how much. Like this, large numbers multiplication also we learned. Today, we're going to see about the division. Okay. Now, in my hand, I have some things. That is pencil and pen. Okay. These things I going to give for 5 students. How many is there? Just you count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 10 pencil and pens are there. Okay. I going to give for 5 students. For each student, how many things I going to give? That is the question. Okay. These things just I have to divide by 5. Okay. So, for 5 students, how many things I going to give? Just I am taking one things. 1. Okay. For each person, I giving one things. This also 1, 1, 1, 1. 5 ones are there. Then, in this hand, how many is there? 5. Okay. This number is 2. This number is 1. So, for each person, I going to give in 1 number 1 and 2 number 1. So, how many is there? 2. Okay. Like this. 2, how many is there? So, I going to give for 5 person only, no? So, each person having how many things? 2 things. Okay. Like this only, we going to do the large number division also. Division. Just to see this number, 9,588 divided by 6. Okay. Already in the 4th standard also, division we saw there. Okay. So like that we going to do now. First for division, how to write that number? What is there? Dividend that should be inside. 9,588. Okay. Which is the divisor? This is the divisor. Divide and divisor. Okay. We have to write the table. Which table have to write? 6th table. Okay. 6th table we have to write up to 9th step. So, 1 6 are 6. 2 6 are 12. 3 6 are 18. Here also can write along with me. 4 6 are 24. 5 6 are 30. 6 6 are 36. This is compulsory. You should write up to the 9th table. Okay. 7 6 are 42. 8 6 are 48. 9 6 are 54. Okay. See here. First we have to take 1 digit. Okay. See the 1 digit number 9. 9 is there in the answer. You have to see only answer, not question. Okay. So 9 is there. 9 is there in the answer. Not. Okay. Less than 9. Less than 9 is there. Yes. Is there? 6. Okay. 6 how many times? 1 time. So we have to write here 1 time. That number also should be straight. Okay. We are taking number 9 only, no. So this answer also should be here. 1 6 are 6. What is the answer? 1 6 are 6. Then second step, after this finishing we have to subtract 9 from the 9, subtract 6. 9 minus 6, 3. Next we have to take down what is the second number, that we have to write near 3. Okay. Now what is the number? 35. 35 is there in the answer? No. Okay. Less than 35. Less than 35. Less than 35. What is the answer? 30. 30 how many times 6? 5 times 6. So write here 5 times. 5 times 6 are 30. The 30 we have to write here. Okay. 35. In the 35 how many 6 are there? 5 6. Write here 5. Don't forget to write here. This is the quotient place. Okay. 5 6 are 30. Then subtract 5 minus 0. 5 minus 0, what is the answer? 5. 3 minus 3, 0. 0 can write in the side. Okay. For 0 is no value here. Next 8 is there a next number. So put a arrow mark and write that 8 here near 5. So in the next step we have to take down what numbers are there. Okay. Now what is the number? 58. 58 is there in the answer? No. Less than 58. What is the less than 58? 54. Okay. Less than 58. 54. 54 how many times? 9 times. So 9 times 6 are 54. Now we have to subtract. After writing answer we have to subtract step by step. 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 5, 0. Okay. Then last number we have to take down. Put a arrow mark and take down and write 8 here. Now what is the number? 48. 48 is there in the answer? Yes, is there answer 48. How many times? 8 times. So write here answer. 8 6 are 48. Now subtract. 8 minus 8, 0. 4 minus 4, 0. This is the remainder. This is the quotient. Okay. See here. This is the dividend. 9588. Divisor we have to write in the side. Okay. 6. Then mark like this. And then take first number. 9. 9 is there in the answer. We have to check. 9 is not there. So less than 9. 6 is there. How many times? 1 time. That 1 time should be in the quotient place. What is the answer? 1 6 or 6. Write here down. And then subtract 9 minus 6, 3. Then take down next number 5. Okay. Take down next number 5. What is that? 35. 35 is there? No. So less than 35? 30 is there. 30 how many times? 5 times. So 5 6 are 30. Step by step how to do. Don't forget to write. Okay. 5 6 are 30. Then subtract 5 minus 0, 5. 3 minus 3, 0. Next, what is the third number? Have to take down. 8 take down and write here. Number is now 58. 58 is there? No. Okay. So now less than 58, 54 is there. How many times? 9 times. So 9 6 are 54. Then subtract. What is the answer now? 8 minus 4, 4. 5 minus 5, 0. Then last number we have to take down 8. 48. So 48 is there in the answer. Yes, is there. How many times? 8 times. 8 6 are 48. Remainder is 0. So now quotient and remainder we can take and write separately. Quotient. What is the spelling for quotient? Quotient. Quotient. Quotient is 1598. Next remainder. Right? Remainder. Say the spelling for remainder. 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 Remainder is 0. Write only 10 enough. Okay? Next is second sum. 786 divided by 5. As usual we have to write inside dividend 786. This 5 have to write outside. First step we have to write like this. Okay. Then start to write table. Which table have to write? Fifth table. Okay. So 1 5s are 5. In the division you must write table in the side. 2 5s are 10. 3 5s are 15. 4 5s are 20. 5 5s are 25. 6 5s are 30. 7 5s are 35. 8 5s are 40. 9 5s are 45. Shall we do step by step now? So first we have to take which number? Number 7. 7 is there in answer. Don't see here. We have to see the answer. 7 is there in answer. No. Less than 7. Where is less than 7? 5. How many times 5 is 5? 1 time. Okay, this 1 we have to write here. 1 5s are 5. Okay, 1 5s are 5. Next, subtract. 7 minus 5. 7 minus 5, what is the answer? 2. Then take down the second number. Second number, only one number we have to take down. Number 8. Now see, what is this number? 28. 28 is there in answer? No. Less than 28. Less than 28. 10, 15, 20, 25, 30. 30 is more than 28. So 25 is less than 28. So how many times? 5 times. So 5 5s are 25. Subtract. 8 minus 5. What is the answer? 8 minus 5? 3. 2 minus 2? 0. Okay. Then take down 6. Take down 6. Now, what is the number? 36. 36 is there in the answer? No. Less than 36. 25, 30, 35, 40. 40 is more than 36. So, before that, 35 is there. 35 less than 36. How many times? 7 times. 7 5s are 35. Now subtract. Okay. 6 minus 5. 1. 3 minus 3. 0. Okay. So this is next. There is no number. This is the remainder. This is the quotient. Now take and write the quotient and remainder. Quotient is equal to 157. Remainder is equal to 1. Okay. Spelling I am writing here. Quotient. 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 Remainder. Remainder. When you are writing spelling, say the spelling and then write. Okay. Thank you, students.